Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the map color scheme and Waze. So Waze lets you customize the appearance of the navigation map by choosing different color schemes. So changing the color scheme can make the map easier to read or give the app more personalized look. So to change it, you will need to first open Waze on your phone and tap the Waze menu that's located at the top left corner right here, or your profile icon, right? And then just select these settings that you can find at the middle of these options. So it's the third one. And now you will need to open the map display or the related map appearance settings, right? So it's the second option under general. So now we only look for an option such as a map color scheme or map display depending on your Waze version. So as you can see here, we have map type, right? So you may be able to choose from several predefined color schemes. Tap the option you prefer to apply it to the map. So here I only have the default and the map editors, right? So you can also adjust whether Waze uses a day, a night, or automatic appearance. So the automatic mode can change the map appearance depending on your phone settings or the time of day. So after selecting your preferred scheme, return to the navigation screen to see the changes. So if the new appearance does not apply immediately, close and reopen the app. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.